Hey guys, this is Mike from Stinger Off-Road. I am here with Chris from Street Trucks, and we just did some work with this 2008 Tahoe. So Chris, tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah man, so this 2008 Chevy Tahoe, this is a project we've been building in Street Trucks magazine. It's called Project Stanley. This is a follow-up on our previous project, Project Stella. You guys remember that one, a 95 Chevy? Well, this is the truck that's always chasing Stella, so this is Stanley. It's a 2008 Tahoe. We've already done the suspension and wheels. We did a Beltec 4.6 drop, actually 3.4 drop, 22-inch wheel with a 305/40 Toyo AT3 tire. So the whole goal behind this is to take an SUV that you already have at home, paid for, modernize it, give it the new modern features that everybody wants in their new vehicle without having a brand new vehicle car payment. Now we're gonna deal with all the stereo and getting Bluetooth integration and all the kind of good stuff that people need and want in their trucks without having to get a brand new car payment. So that's what we did. We brought it over to Ocala Car Audio, had the pros install this new Stinger setup, and we're real happy with it. We want to kind of show it to you guys. Like any 10, 12-year-old vehicle, the interior is going to be worn out and all that stuff. So second thing we did was take it over to Gainesville Sound Trim and Tint, and we ripped out the factory leather. We installed this new road wire diamond stitch leather interior kit. It covered all 3 rows of seats. It's a really, really nice kit. We did that. The next thing you got to do is deal with the audio. And like I said, one of the biggest problems with these older vehicles is the fact that your phones don't integrate with them. And that was the main important thing that we reached out to the guys at Stinger for, and they brought in this new HEIGH10 piece. And it's a really, really cool unit.
Yeah, we're excited to be able to put it in here. 10-inch infotainment system is going to give you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless, Bluetooth.
So very next thing is we're going to deal with the exterior of it. We're going to yank off all of these rubber moldings. We're going to go do some paint correction, remove some fender or side emblems. A lot of the projects that we build to be show trucks or real crazy lowrider type things, but this particular truck, if you notice, the back is a little higher than the front. That's because we're going to be towing with this one. This is going to be our event traveler, our event hauler. So you can find us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Street Trucks Magazine. I control Street Trucks Magazine, C10 Builder's Guide, F100 Builder's Guide, and now we have a new book, OBS Builder's Guide, which is dedicated to the 88 to 98 Chevy trucks that are really, really popular. And yeah, so I'm just essentially a journalist, go around the country and document all the greatest builds, the coolest events, the newest parts and products that are out there, and bring them to the enthusiasts. That's what this is going to be. This is going to drive us all over the country to collect content to bring to the fans.
Awesome. Well, I'm looking forward to working on some future projects together.
Absolutely.
And can't wait to see this featured in Street Trucks Magazine.
Yeah, this will be on stands nationwide in January. Subscribers will get it in December. And it's going to have a 4, 5, 6 maybe page editorial showing the complete process of doing it. And this will be the 2nd series on this truck. You'll be able to see this truck throughout this book all year next year. So it'll be a fun little project and something that you're going to be able to keep up with throughout the whole year.